This country stands for freedom, liberty, justice for all, and it's not happening for all right now.
I believe
when there's
that
significant change, and I feel like that flag represents what it's supposed to represent, and this country is representing people the way that it's supposed to, I'll stand. There's a lot of things that need to change. One specifically is police brutality. There's people being murdered unjustly and not being held accountable. Cops are getting paid leave for killing people. That's not right. To us, but also that's not right to the men and women by anyone's standards. On our behalf. Well, I have great respect for men and women that have fought for this country. I have family, I have friends that have gone and fought for this country.
Wouldn't you love to see one of these
NFL they fight for freedom. They fight for the people. They fight for liberty and justice for everyone. And that's not happening right now. I mean, people are dying in vain because this country isn't holding their end of the bargain up as far as
make different decisions,
giving freedom and justice and liberty to everybody.
They want to express
it's something that's not happening. And I've seen videos, I've seen circumstances where men and women that have been in the military have come back and been treated unjustly by the country they fought for.
But when it's hard,
and have been murdered by the country they fought for. On our land. That's not right.
Sometimes
this stand wasn't for me. This stand wasn't, because I feel like
some
I'm
owner's
being
gonna
put
do
down.
But that's what
he's going to say. That guy
in
that
any
this
kind
is
of way.
means.
This is because I'm seeing things happen to people that don't have a voice.
My hope
people that don't have
they don't know it. They don't know. They're friends of mine.
Voices heard
as this
they don't know. They'll be the most popular person for a week.
I'm in a position where I can do that, and I'm going to do that for people that can't. I don't understand how it's the wrong way.
That's a total disrespect
to me.
Everything
this is a freedom that we're allowed in this country.
We just don't agree with.
And going back to the military,
I know
it's a freedom that men and women that have fought for this country have given me this opportunity by the contributions they have made.
It's also their right.
So I don't see it as going about it the wrong way. This is something that has to be said. It has to be brought to the forefront of everyone's attention.
NFL ratings are down
And
massively.
when that's done, I think people can realize what the situation is and then really affect change. I just can't stand for what this represents right now. It's not right. And the fact that
because
it has
today you hit too hard.
This, I think it's a good thing.
Hit too hard.
No, it brings
15 yards.
Everybody knows
the pain
what's going on.
They had that last week.
And this sheds more light on it. Now, I think people are really talking about it, having conversations about how to make change, what's really going on in this country, and we can move forward. There is police brutality. People of color have been targeted by police. So that's a large part of it. And their government officials, they're put in place by the government. So, that's something that this country has to change.
You know what's hurting the game?
There's things we can do to hold them more accountable, make those standards higher. You have people that practice law and are lawyers and go to school for 8 years, but you can become a cop in 6 months and don't have to have the same amount of training as a
cosmetologist. If you see it, even if it's one player, leave the stadium. I guarantee things will stop.
Someone that's holding a curling iron has more education and more training than people that have a gun and are going out on the street to protect. I don't see it as a distraction. I think it's something that can unify this team. It's something that can unify this country.
Political view of
if we have these real conversations that are uncomfortable for a lot of people.
They do so
if we have these conversations, there's a better understanding where both sides are coming from. And if we reach common ground and can understand what everybody's going through, we can really affect change and make sure that everybody's treated equally and has the same freedom.